Welcome to this presentation on distribution-aware kernel density function-based quantizer using trapezoidal approximation for massive MIMO CSI feedback. This research was conducted by E.S. Gopi and C. Kiruthika and published in 1st January 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Massive multiple input, multiple output MMIMO systems offer significant performance gains but face a bottleneck in channel state information CSI feedback due to high dimensionality. Existing compression techniques reduce feedback overhead, but quantization is often performed without considering the statistical distribution of the compressed CSI, leading to increased distortion. The proposed methodology integrates principal component analysis PCA for CSI compression with a kernel density function based quantizer KDQ for CSI feedback. The PCA based compression involves vectorizing the CSI matrix, computing its covariance matrix, performing eigenvalue decomposition, and selecting dominant eigenvectors to project the CSI onto a lower dimensional space. For the KDQ, the real and imaginary parts of the compressed CSI are concatenated and vectorized. Simulation results using a real-time CSI dataset show that the proposed PCA KDQ framework outperforms existing quantization methods, including uniform, mu law, A law, and classical Lloyd-Max quantizers with predefined or histogram-based density functions. The PCA-KDQ approach consistently achieved lower normalized mean square error NMSE and higher cosine similarity across various antenna topologies DIS-LOS, URA-NOLS, and compression ratios 116, 132, 1 to 64. The proposed distribution-aware KDQ significantly improves CSI feedback performance by adapting quantization levels to the empirical distribution of the compressed CSI, unlike traditional methods that assume fixed distributions or use crude approximations. The integration with PCA provides an efficient dimensionality reduction mechanism, forming a cohesive framework. This paper presents a distribution-aware kernel density function-based quantizer KDQ integrated with PCA for efficient CSI feedback in massive MIMO systems. The KDQ adaptively determines quantization levels by estimating the probability density function of the compressed CSI using kernel density estimation, thereby minimizing quantization distortion.